Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log into your PayPal account on your desktop. So if you're having trouble logging into your PayPal account, this video might help you. So make sure to watch till the end. Now let's move forward. On your desktop, open any web browser and then type paypal.com. Now you will be directed to the website of PayPal. So on your top right corner, you might see a login option just near the sign up button. So just click on login option. Now you will be asked to provide your email or your mobile number and your password. So just go ahead and provide your email and your password. After you're done with that, just click on to login option, or else you can also log in with a one-time code. But for now, just go and click on to login option. And in this way, you are logged into your PayPal account. Here on your screen, you can just send money or request money or add to your wallet on your account. So if you like this video or this video helped you, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video, and if you have any question regarding, just comment down below.